Data science foundations refers to the fundamental concepts and principles that serve as the building blocks for understanding and practicing data science. These foundations provide the necessary knowledge and skills to work with data, extract insights, and make data-driven decisions. Here are some key components of data science foundations. 1. Statistics. Statistics forms the basis of data science. Understanding statistical concepts such as probability, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and sampling techniques is crucial for analyzing data and drawing meaningful conclusions. 2. Mathematics. Proficiency in mathematics is essential for data science. Concepts like linear algebra, calculus, and optimization methods are utilized in various data science algorithms and models. 3. Programming. Data scientists need programming skills to work with data effectively. Proficiency in languages like Python or R is common in the data science field. Programming enables data manipulation, visualization, and implementation of machine learning algorithms. 4. Data manipulation. Data scientists should be proficient in manipulating and cleaning data. Skills in data wrangling, data cleaning, merging datasets, handling missing values, and transforming data are essential for working with real-world datasets. 5. Exploratory data analysis. EDA involves examining and visualizing data to gain insights and understand its characteristics. Techniques like data visualization, summary statistics, and correlation analysis help in exploring data patterns and relationships. 6. Machine learning. Machine learning is a core component of data science. Understanding various machine learning algorithms such as regression, classification, clustering, and dimensionality reduction is crucial. Knowledge of model evaluation, feature selection, and model tuning is also important. 7. Data visualization. Effective data visualization skills enable data scientists to communicate insights and findings to stakeholders. Proficiency in tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or Tableau helps in creating informative and visually appealing visualizations. 8. Big data technologies. Handling large-scale datasets requires knowledge of big data technologies like Hadoop, Spark, or distributed computing frameworks. Understanding concepts like MapReduce and working with NoSQL databases is beneficial for processing and analyzing big data. 9. Domain knowledge. Data scientists should have a good understanding of the domain they are working in. Familiarity with the industry, business processes, and specific challenges helps in formulating meaningful data science solutions. 10. Communication and storytelling. Data scientists should possess strong communication skills to effectively convey insights and findings to non-technical stakeholders. The ability to tell a compelling data-driven story and present complex concepts in a clear and understandable manner is essential. These foundations provide a solid starting point for aspiring data scientists to build their expertise. Continual learning, keeping up with advancements in the field, and gaining practical experience through real-world projects are key to mastering data science foundations and excelling in the field.